Isaiah Keel, and I made a Rube Goldberg machine. And as you can see, I made it with my mommy and my pappy. And now we're going to show you how it works. Right, pappy?
That's it. Let's do it.
All right. Now, we have this black, right, pappy?
Yep.
And now it's going to cause a chain reaction, right?
It should.
Which then will hit this, which will go around, hit that. As you can see, the mirror is a little cracked from our first try. Then it will hit the chair, which the ball will go down, hit the checkers, which will hit that, which will hit that, which will then hopefully make that guy zoom forward. Let's try. Countdown, Kim.
3, 2, 1, go. Yay!
Yay! So as you can see, that was my experiment with my
it.
pappy
High five.
and mommy.
Yeah.
My Goldberg machine. Give us a high five.
High five.
And now remember, keep on trying because never mind, those machines are out there.